What is up, guys? So today we are going to be checking out the Lexus. I took it to the track the other day, got some GoPro footage, got some footage with this camera, and then some other footage of other cars, but I'm going to be showing you guys IS350. It's pretty much stock, just has a muffler delete, but I'm going to be showing you what it does in the quarter mile. So stay tuned, watch the video, guys, leave a like, and also before you comment or anything, comment down below what you guys think it's going to run. It surprised me, but let's go.
Look at this bike. Comb the beard. Comb the beard. Hey, yo, dog, check this bike out. Yeah, that's pretty sick.
It's like, I'm stupid. Alright, guys, so we're at the track. Obviously, you've seen that one clip. The first run I ran was 14.4 at 97. The biggest thing with this car is I got these huge 19-inch Volstons that weigh like 50 pounds each or something. So I'm trying to get some new wheels here soon, and that'll probably lower the time just there itself. That, and I have a whole bunch of stuff in the trunk and stuff. I mean, this ain't a race car. I just wanted to see what it runs, to be honest. So we're gonna have one more go at this, and then see what she doss.
Everybody acting what they not. You looking for somebody, girl, you lost. It's Lil Fredo, don't you look into the pot. I upgraded everything, got it unlocked.
Felt a little bit better.
That's what she said.
Hopefully the time is a little bit better. I at least wanted to get 100 miles an hour in the quarter. That's like my biggest goal with this car. So the thing actually sticks really good on the track. I'm not even gonna lie. So that's actually a good thing. I just need, like I said, I need smaller wheels. These wheels are huge. Hey, go ahead, Hellcat. Beat the C63. All right, 10.7, 11.5. Not bad. Let's get our time slip, and then I'm gonna head out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, though. I wanted to switch it up a little bit, get some track stuff going. So I don't know, that Camaro did like some crazy stuff. I don't know what he did. Thank you. Let's see. Damn, I did worse. 14.5. So yeah, we definitely gotta get some smaller wheels, but hey, it's all in fun, right? But I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know I've been the coast's greatest blessing.